Underrated sports cars that deserve more attention. Mazda MX-5 Miata. Specifications. Engine, 2.0L 4-cylinder. Horsepower, 181 horsepower. Torque, 151 lb-ft. Transmission, 6-speed manual or automatic. Top speed, 135 miles per hour. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 5.7 seconds. Toyota GR86. Specifications. Engine, 2.4L 4-cylinder boxer. Horsepower, 228 horsepower. Torque, 184 lb-ft. Transmission, 6-speed manual or automatic. Top speed, 140 miles per hour. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 6.1 seconds. Nissan 370Z. Specifications. Engine, 3.7L V6. Horsepower, 332 horsepower. Torque, 270 lb-ft. Transmission, 6-speed manual or 7-speed automatic. Top speed, 155 miles per hour. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 5.0 seconds.